So Kiwi Spa is so excited to introduce our new microcurrent device. It's super powerful. What it does, it pushes active ingredients and serums that are on the skin much deeper into the skin. It also helps to break them to a smaller molecule so it can penetrate further, and also it helps to stimulate collagen. But the main thing about this device, it's contracting the muscle, and it's kind of like a gym for our muscle. You know, it makes our muscles stronger. The more you use this device, your muscle become a little bit bigger and bigger, and then skin will be tightened up on top of the muscle. So the main thing what it does, it's lifting your face, toning your skin, pushing active ingredients really deep, and stimulating your own collagen. So 3-in-1 amazing device. So today I want to show you how to use it. To use it, it's truly easy. You only need 3 minutes from one side of your face and 3 minutes from your other side. So let's start. We will start from level 1 on that device, and then so Diana, it's a little bit like when muscle is contracts, you will feel like a little, you know.
Okay.
Oh yeah. So just look straight, please, for me. Okay. First zone, it's a zone, this bone around our jaw, and then second zone will be zone like all this group of muscles, and third zone will be like under the eyes and up, and then I show how easy to do a forehead. So we will go on the first one. Okay, I will put device here, don't worry. And we will very slowly go up, just like that, still going up, and we'll finish here near the ear. That was number 1, and like that we do 3 each. So this will be second one. Can you feel a little tingling?
I can.
Okay, wonderful. So I'm going to lift this part. And also skin need to have some serum that help to provide sleek and glad. Okay, this is number 2. And now we will go with step 3 for this zone. Okay, this is done. Now our lips need to be in between this. Okay, so we'll start from here, push, and go very slow up. One, now, and we want like to lift the muscle. This is number 2, and we want to hold it here, perfect. And number 3, again, same group of the muscles, will go up. Perfect. And now number 3, we're going to work around zone around the eyes. So our upper part of the device will be exactly on this bone. So I will shoot right here. Close your eyes, please. It's okay, it's okay. It's contracting the muscle. It's a little inconvenient, but super effective once you see your face. And we'll hold it right here. That was number 1. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, second time. Again, close your eyes, please. Okay. Now, go a little up. Try to relax your muscles as much as possible. This is number 2 and number 3. Slowly. Perfect. I see the difference, right? Yeah, I see a great difference on that side. And now for the forehead, we want to first lift these muscles up. So we will put our device like that and go up slowly. 1, 2, and 3. And now last thing, we will hold skin right here and we will go down like that. 1, and hold. Then again. That's number 2. And this is number 3. How did it feel?
Fine.
Fine?
Mhm.
Okay. Let me look at your face. Let me see. I can definitely see difference. I will bring you mirror so you can, I can bring you mirror so you can see. Yes, stop.